season is a jump start beginning for Chanel Kuto, General Dugo, and in between runners Hokyok, moving up by the Rails Magic Machine, My Sweet Leonora, Musashi, and Aloha is the early trailer by about 5 to 6 lengths of the leader. Back to the front runner, General Dugo, followed by Magic Machine, and on the outside in between runners is Hockey Hawk, General Dugo. Magic Machine is running by the rail. Hockey Hawk racing in third and Chanel Kuto is sneaking by the rail. And rounding the far turn, General Dugo. Chanel Kuto, Hockey Hawk on the outside and Magic Machine by the rail. My sweet Leonora Musashi Aloha as they swim for home. General Dugo, Chanel Kutoy, sorry outside Magic Machine, Hockey Hawk, My Sweet Leonora, Musashi and Aloha, with the last 150 meters more to run, General Dugo, by about 2 lengths, Chanel Kutoy in second, and nearing the finish line, General Dugo, and finally it's a scintillating run coming from General Dugo, Chanel Kuto, Hockey Hawk, Magic